Hello, welcome all to my YouTube channel All in One. I am Lalit Matolia. I am sharing the information about the NCR Campus Code WAS 2020 of campus recruitment online remote process. Okay, so NCR Campus Code WAS 2020, this is the logo for NCR. So first I will tell about the process of the NCR. So what is the NCR? NCR Corporation is a leading software and service LED enterprise provider in the financial, retail and hospitality industries. Headquartered in Middletown, Atlanta, GA, NCR has over 34,000 employees in 160 countries and solutions distributed in 141 countries. So there is the post as software engineer, and what is the CTC? CTC is the 7LP, and job location is Hyderabad, and there are number of openings. We have the 300 openings. Okay, so what are the basic qualification which is required for the NCR recruitment process? We have the openings for the BE, BTech for 2020 batch, 2021 batch. Students completing BTech or BE in May or June 2021. Students in engineering discipline would be any branch who has passion about coding. Excellent knowledge of computer science fundamentals, just like as object oriented design, design patterns, data structures and algorithms. Good software troubleshooting and analytical skills will be there. Ability to understand business and technical requirements, excellent written and verbal communication skills, excellent teamwork and collaboration skills is also there. And if you have the experience with several of the following modern technologies, just like as Java or C++ or C#.NET, you can apply for this post. So what are the eligibility and challenge format? So eligibility criteria is for graduation year 2021, and we require the skills for the data structures, algorithms, object-oriented programming concepts and problem-solving skills you have. Challenge format is what? We have two programming question that is restricted to the C++, Java and C#. You can choose any of the language. Either you can choose C++, either you can choose Java or then C#. Whichever language you are comfortable, you can select. So we have 10 MCQs on data structure and algorithms also. So this challenge format combines 10 MCQs and 2 programming questions. So important dates for this exam is, it opens at 2 of October 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time and closes at October 4 11 p.m. IST. Test duration is 2 hours 30 minutes, and this is the test for the live. You can have the webcam, and this test is available on the HackerEarth. So this is the text link. This is the test link, https:// then / assessment hackerearth.com challenges hiring NCR campus code WAS 2020. Okay, so I am just opening the URL in my browser, and I will show how to register here. So you can hit this URL in the HackerEarth, and here you can see it opens at October 2 6 p.m. closes at 4 October 11 p.m. So before 4th of October you have to give the exam. The test duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. You can choose any of the time. So for this you can just click on the register button, and you have to fill the basic details like full name, gender, current location, contact number, institute where you are studying, what is the degree name, stream, graduation year. You can also fill your CGPA or then percentage here. If you are having percentage 70.71 or 80, 90, whatever percentage you are having, you can fill here, and you can select here. You can see, are you willing to take up the job via the challenge? So select yes or no, and then you can write your Aadhaar card number and select the updated resume, and then you can click on the register for challenge. After clicking the register for challenge, you have done your registration process. and then on dated 2nd of October you can give your exam after 6 p.m. Okay, so this is the recruitment process for the NCR. Hope you will understand all the process for NCR off-campus recruitment via online mode. If you have any questions and doubts, you can feel free to ask and write in the comment box. So I will put this link in the description box of my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Please like and share, and you can also spread this message to all of the students so they can get some benefits.